The Leaf and the Root, a tale of wisdom and growth. In a forest green and bright, where trees grew tall and reached the light, there lived a leaf, so fresh and grand, perched high upon a sturdy stand. Yet one day, alas, it turned quite dry, and all the leaves began to sigh. Oh dear, what shall we do? Our friend the leaf has lost its hue. The squirrels and birds all came to see what could be problem of this tree. They poked and prodded, asked and stared, but few knew why the leaf despaired. Then wise old owl, with eyes so keen, hooted softly through the green. Problems won't be fixed by mere discuss. We must look deeper beneath the fuss. The leaf is but a symptom seen of roots in need of greater green, to nourish life from deep below and help our friend to brightly glow. So all the creatures big and small went to the roots beneath the fall. They watered, tended, gave their care with love and wisdom everywhere. And then one morning, bright as gold, the leaf returned fresh and bold. From that day forth the forest knew to mend the roots, to blossom new. The lesson here within this tale, when faced with problems, do not fail to look beyond the surface view and find solutions deep and true.